Dear students, yesterday we derived formula for finding solutions of quadratic equations. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, the whole quantity upon 2a. This is the formula we derived, and after that we went for the condition sum of roots minus b by a, product of roots c by a. All those things are required. Finally we reached yesterday to nature of roots. Under square root x is equal to minus b plus or minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Out of the square root of b square minus 4ac, only that part decides the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots are decided by b square minus 4ac. If it is positive, b square minus 4ac, later we consider that is discriminant. B square minus 4ac, if that is positive, roots are real and distinct. Different roots, two roots we are getting. If that is negative, roots are not real, means imaginary. That means not existing in the real field. If it is neither positive nor negative but zero, then roots are real and coincident, means real and equal. Those things we said and we stopped yesterday. Today we continue with that exercise part. Quadratic equations, exercise 2.4. We have to find the values of a, b and c from this equation. This one we compare. First equation, x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. This we compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 general form, general equation. X square coefficient, here it is 1. No number is written means 1 is there. So a is equal to 1. X coefficient b, x coefficient minus 7, b is minus 7. And constant term plus c, here it is 5. C is equal to 5. Comparing with the general form, x square coefficient is a, which is here no number is written. It means 1x square. So this a is equal to 1. X coefficient is b. X coefficient is minus 7. So b is minus 7. C is a constant c, which is 5. This is question number 1. I do third also. You can do second as homework. It is y square equal to 7y. Therefore y square plus 7y comes this side as minus 7y. And here there is no constant term. It is like this. Therefore we write in the general form y square minus 7y plus 0 equal to 0, like y square y constant equal to 0 form. Now what you are getting? The quadratic term coefficient a is equal to 1. The coefficient of linear term minus 7. Here also minus 7 like earlier question. And constant c, no constant is there. Therefore we have to write the position c is 0. This is question number, main question number 1, sub question number 1 and 3. Now we use question number 2. Solve by using formula, quadratic equation. Solve using formula. What is the formula? Formula to find answer, that is root of quadratic equation, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, 4 into 4 into A into C upon 2A. This is a formula we have to use to find solution. Now we do even questions. Main question 2, subquestion number 2. What is that? It is x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, comparing with general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we decide like earlier ABC. A is x square coefficient 1, B is x coefficient minus 3, C is constant term minus 2. So we have to find out this formula. By using this formula, we have to find the value of x. So we continue here. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b. B we have minus 3. So minus b is what? Minus of b is minus 3 plus or minus root of b square minus 3 square. First question we write b square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 2. The whole quantity divided by 2 into a is how much? 1. Now this is minus of minus plus, minus into minus 3 plus 3 plus or minus root of minus 3 square is plus 9, minus into minus plus 3 square 9. Here minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4, the 4 twos are 8 plus 8 upon 2 ones are 2. This is 3 plus or minus 9 plus 8. 9, it is suppose 8. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17 upon 2. Therefore, we conclude the solution. Solution x is equal to 3 with plus 1 answer, with minus another answer. So 3 plus root 17 upon 2. The other answer is 3 minus root 17 upon 2. These are the two roots. Roots mean solution of this equation. This is question number 2. Now we write question number 4 here. Question number 4 we write here 5m square minus 4m minus 2 equal to 0. This question we have to complete here. So we write little smaller, but you will understand. Therefore, a is square quantity term, coefficient of quadratic term 5. B is coefficient of linear term minus 4. C is this minus 2. Therefore, by formula method, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is b is minus 4. So minus b minus of this plus 4. Otherwise we write here minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of b square. B is minus 4. Minus 4 on squaring plus 16. We write here minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 5, 4a c is minus 2. This whole thing under square root upon 2 into a is 5, minus of minus plus 4, plus or minus root of minus 4 square plus 16, minus into minus plus 4 5s are 22s are 22s are 40. See here, 5 2s are 10, 4s are 40, minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20, that 22s are 40 upon 10. This we do here some steps. This is 4 plus or minus root of 40 plus 10 50 plus 6 56 upon 10. That is one more step we write. 56 is 4 into 14. 4 plus or minus root of 4 into 14. See, 4 4s are 16, 6. Remember 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. Upon this 10 is 2 into 5. Now this 4 plus or minus root 4 is 2 into root 14 upon 2 into 5. Continuation here we do. Here we take 2 common factor out and cancel with this 2. From here 2 taken out, this also. So 2 into remaining 2 plus or minus this 2 we have taken out common factor, so only root 14 remaining, and here 2 into 5. Now 2 and 2 cancels both the numerator and the denominator. Then what we have, 2 plus or minus root 14 upon this 5. Therefore solutions. X is equal to, the first value is what? 2 plus root 14 upon 5, and also 2 minus root 14 upon 5. These are the 2 solutions for this quadratic equation by this formula method. Formula is what? Minus b. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is very important. Yesterday I said you do it 2 times. Read it 5 times and by heart it. It is very important. This is question number 4 also over. Now we do question number 6. What is question number 6? This is 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0. Here we get a is 5, x square coefficient a is 5, b is x coefficient 13, and c is constant term 8. A, B, C we got. Therefore, by formula method, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b. B is 13. B is 13 minus b, minus 13 plus or minus root of 13 square minus 4 into A into C, which is 8 upon 2 into A. A is 5 minus 13 plus or minus, how much is 13 square? 169 minus 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. That 20 is 2, 8s are 16. And 20 is that 0. 160 upon 2 5s are 10. So it is minus 13 plus or minus root of 169 minus 160, only 9 upon 10. This is equal to what? Minus 13 plus or minus root 9 is 3. Root 9 is 3 upon 10. So the answer is minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or minus 13 minus 3. Second answer, minus 3 upon 10. Minus 13 plus 3 is how much? Minus 10. One is minus, other is plus. From the greater quantity, subtract smaller quantity, put the greater number sign upon 10. So minus 13, minus 3 more. Both are minus. It's not multiplication, addition. So minus 16 upon 10. Minus 10 upon 10 is minus 1. Here minus. We have a simplification, 5 2s, 8 2s are 16. So minus 8 by 5. This is solution. For this given quadratic equation, this is the solution. Now this is question number 2. Main question number 2 is over. Now question number 3 starts here. We start here. Question number 3. It is x square plus 2 root 3x, 2 into root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now what are they saying? We have to find out the solution by using formula method. It is an activity based question, like first of all we have to find the value of ABC. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is x square coefficient, here 1. B is x coefficient, which is 2 root 3. 2 into root 3. C is the constant term, which is 3. Then what they are telling us? Find the value of b square minus 4ac. First we have to find out a, b, c. Now we have to find out b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac we have to find out. B is 2 root 3. 2 into root 3. B square minus 4 into A. A is 1 into C is 3. 2 square 4 into root 3 square is 3 minus this minus 4 into 1 4 into 3 4 into 3 4 3s are 12 minus 12 equal to 0. What is it? B square minus 4ac. This part is 0. Then question says that one, write the formula. Therefore, by formula method, what is formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. formula is written. Now we have to substitute the values and get the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to minus b. B is 2 root 2. So minus b is minus 2 root 2. Plus or minus this whole root of b square minus 4ac we have. Root of plus or minus written here. Root of this part is how much? 0. So this is 0 upon 2 into a. How much is a? A is 1. So it is minus 2 into root 3 plus or minus 0, you leave it. 0 it is upon 2. 2 and 2 cancels. Minus root 3. X is having two answers, minus root 3 and also minus root 3. This is minus root 3. Plus or minus 0 means plus or minus 0. That is 0 only. So answer is what? X is minus root 3. That is, given equation has equal roots. That is, value of x is minus root 3 and minus root 3 more. That is second time we are not writing. This is third question that exercise gets over. Which exercise gets over? 2.4. 2.4 gets over. Now we have to go for 2.5. Before we go for 2.5, yesterday what and all we discussed? We discussed faster. Yesterday what we discussed? Nature of roots. Nature of roots means what? That I have done already. This yesterday we did. Yesterday we did, root of a positive quantity real. That is, if it is positive, roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Unequal. It is written here. Same thing. What and all we discussed yesterday written here. Nature of roots. Formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac entire right hand side upon 2a. Nature of roots are decided by this discriminant b square minus 4ac, the root of whatever we have, that is discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, greater than 0 means what? Positive quantity. That is, this is, if positive quantity, then roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal, not equal. If this discriminant is positive. If it is negative, less than 0, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That is, b square minus 4ac is negative, then roots are not real. Not real means what? Imaginary. It's not existing. Positive, negative we discuss. If it is neither positive nor negative, that is 0, then roots are real and equal. Real and equal. These are the nature you have to remember. Now we have to start the next exercise, which we do in the next video.